Hi friends, welcome to CocoBoo Tales.
Look, friends, this is the perfect place to grow a beautiful sunflower. That sounds fun. Now we must be patient. When will it grow? Is it growing already? I don't see anything. Plants need water and sunshine. Still nothing. We have to wait. Growing takes time. Good things are worth waiting for. Look, growing! It's getting bigger. Patience helps wonderful things grow. Wow! Patience helps beautiful things grow. See you next time! We're CocoBoo and friends!
Are you ready for amazing adventures?
Let's go!